Hello everyone, my name is DarKalligraph and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, but I'm finally back. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to be participating in another one of Dena's wonderful challenges. This time it is the underwater challenge. So I'm really excited to present this to you. Let's go. I've seen a lot of videos about waves lately, and so I've really been inspired to make one, and the underwater challenge was perfect for this theme. I also decided to use oil pastels because I just felt like I really wanted to use oil pastels lately, so yeah. I began with the darkest color on top, and then going down, getting lighter and lighter. As you can see at the beginning, in the intro, I divided my page into 4 sections using a pencil. The one to the very right is going to be the shoreline, and then the 3 other sections are going to be where each wave is going to be. And I'm going to basically repeat the same process 3 times, with the darkest being on top, and then the lightest being on the bottom, and putting all those colors down, and then finally blending with a scrunched up tissue. That's enough commentary for now. Enjoy the music. For the sand, I'm going to use 2 different skin colors which look kind of sandy, and then I'm also going to mix in a bit of yellow, and then I'm going to blend the 2 in together. And that is pretty much all the oil pastels done. Just need to add some more contrast between the dark and the light, and yeah, we'll be good. And I have this plan to make the waves stand out a little more. Now the one thing that makes these waves look really nice is a white highlight, because obviously when waves crash, there's a lot of sea foam, and that sea foam is white. But the thing is, white oil pastel doesn't exactly work that well, and so I've decided to use ink. I'm going to dip a brush into the ink, and then I'm going to use that to create the sea foam. there we go, all finished. Now I just need to wait for it to dry. It is now dry, and I'm just adding some final touches, and then we'll be done. And I decided against adding calligraphy on top, simply because I feel like it would be a bit hard to write on top of the oil pastels and the ink. So yeah, sorry about that, but I think it turned out pretty well in the end. And finally, we can peel the tape off. This is always a very satisfying moment. I think it turned out pretty well. It was a lot of fun to experiment with oil pastels today, and it is just good to do art again. As always, thank you to Dena Tollefson for hosting this wonderful challenge. Her challenges always inspire me to do art. Please do go check out her channel, and also the playlist of all the different entries from all the different YouTubers. And to make up for the lack of calligraphy in the video, here we go. Just a short clip of some dip pen calligraphy. That's gonna be all, guys. Thank you so much for taking up your time to watch my video. I will see you in a bit. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day.